Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix THERMOMIX TM7 lid that won't lock or unlock. It's different for when your lid doesn't lock and when your lid doesn't unlock. So I'll put the lid on top. And now first let's talk about the system itself. So if your temperature is at a very high level, then the lid won't unlock unless it cools down for some moment, and then it'll let you unlock. So there will be a time when it won't unlock. It won't lock if you are using manual mode, for example, at the speed lower at 2 or lower. So if I set the speed to 2, then the lid doesn't lock. I can remove it at any time, and it's normal expected behavior. It is intended because it's called semi-open cooking mode. Then I can put the lid back on and it'll resume whatever it's doing. But if I increase the speed, it should lock. If it doesn't lock in that scenario, then first of all, ensure that your lid as well as the rim of your mixing bowl is free of any debris. Then make sure that your mixing bowl is properly assembled. For that, unlock this lock right here and then remove the knife. Make sure that the seal is installed. Then remove the mixing bowl. Now just put it back on in a proper way. So you can look here on the inside, see if there's any debris on the inside. Also try moving this mechanism up and down. If it doesn't, then also clean it. Now this black part should align with the handle and also this notch. Now put it in, then put the knife inside and make sure it goes in all the way, because now it didn't go in all the way. I need to twist it a little bit, like lift it and twist it, then try pushing it in. Okay, now it went in. Then lock it all the way. Now it's locked, so I can put it on my base and try locking the lid. If that didn't help, then try either restarting your device by pressing and holding on the power button, waiting half a minute after the screen goes off, and then turning it on again, or contacting the after-sales service. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.